Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can check the real-time location of a field user or a field rep. So once a field rep is logged in into the LionO360 mobile app and has clocked in, go to FSM. Under FSM, click on real-time location. So here under real-time location, it will show the name of a field reps currently logged in into mobile 360 CRM app and is clocked in and are into the field. So these icons will show the detail location of the sales rep. Most important thing is it will only show the name of reps who are currently clocked in on the mobile 360 CRM app, or whether they are only clocked in or they are also in a route. To check the more details, click on the rep name. It will open the current location again, and here in clock in details, it will show the location where the field rep has clocked in, at what time he clocked in, and once he clock out, it will capture the clock out time and the total duration he was logged in on the mobile app. Thank you.